Good morning, children. Good morning, 5th class students. So, have you are revising, children, the lessons, whatever we are telling? So, this is the last lesson, children, of our 5th class. So, from 1 to 12 lessons have been completed. So, here 14 lessons, 1 to 14 lessons in our textbook have been completed. So, children, so what you learn, I don't know. But what you known about these lessons, I don't know. Whoever listened, so I hope they will be very good next further classes. So here, children, our environment, motherland, I have been started. So yesterday about what is meant by environment. So how it is harmful, the human beings are doing harmful to us. I explained you. So the surroundings, whatever the surroundings are there, how they are, like rivers, ponds, lakes, how they are polluting the water. It may be whatever it may be, they are polluting. I explained you what is meant by pollution also. I explained you. Next, air pollution, I explained you. So what is meant by air pollution? The mixture of harmful gases is known as in the particles in the air. So here again water pollution I explained you. So how the water is, they are doing contaminating the water. How they are contaminating the water, I explained you. So here pollution also, air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, noise pollution. These 4 pollutions we have in this pollution. Yesterday air pollution, water pollution we have been learned. So neela pollution, water pollution, neer ante water pollution, air ante gali pollution. Next we are moving to the land pollution. That is land pollution. So how they are doing the land with the help of digging. So dumping of solid wastes such as plastic bags, glass bottles and metal containers cause land pollution. So ఈ యొక్క land pollution ఎందుకు అవుతుంది? ప్లాస్టిక్ బ్యాగులు పడేయడం వల్ల, వేస్టేజ్ ఆఫ్ ప్లాస్టిక్ బ్యాగ్స్. Wherever we drink plastic bottle, we throw there with the help of that metal containers. Whatever this all are there, this is causing the land pollution. So roots of the tree hold the soil together. Here whatever the roots అంటే చెట్టు వేర్లు అనేవి ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది దిట్టంగా? ఇన్ ద సాయిల్. సో హియర్ కటింగ్ డౌన్ ద ట్రీస్ ఇన్ లార్జ్ నంబర్స్. సో కటింగ్ డౌన్ ద ట్రీస్ అంటే ఎక్కువగా కింద వేర్లు ఉంటాయి, ఆ వేర్లతోనే ఈ యొక్క సాయిల్ ఇట్ విల్ బి టుగెదర్. నెక్స్ట్ కటింగ్ డౌన్ ద ట్రీస్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ this is a very very useless thing they are doing, cutting down the forest, and they are doing everywhere lands. So no, if there are no trees, there is no, for us what? There is no fresh air, and there is no trees, we will not get enough whatever we get from the plants. So here cutting down a large number of deforestation allows strong winds and water to carry soil particles with them. So whatever they are doing, the cutting of trees, deforestation, as well as allow strong wind and water of carry soil particles with them. So here this is called soil erosion. So children, it is a whatever we are, so with the help the cutting of down of the trees, so it is a deforestation. So wherever the cutting of the trees is, so soil erosion will move from the help of wind. So it is known as soil erosion. Soil erosion is gradually wearing away of solid by wind or water. So here what is meant by soil erosion? It is a gradual wearing away the soil, wind and water. Land pollution make the soil infertile. So whatever the land pollution is there, it is making a wind fertile. It harms the organisms living in the soil and adversely affected to the growth of plants. Whatever the harmful organisms will present with the help of this wastage, this will affect to the growing of the plants. Okay children, so whatever the plants will go, they will not grow well with the help of land pollution. So your land pollution we have to avoid by cutting deforestation. So here they all are doing deforestation, whatever the wastages are there, they are throwing out. So with the help of that only, the plastic bags, that is very dangerous. So whatever the plastic they are using, so they avoid the plastic also in the so many areas. Chala mandi ee oka areas lo there has been avoid the plastic. So once you see children here, the wastage, ikkada wastage ane chudandi, ikkada padesaru, ikkada soil erosion. This is the whatever we are throwing, whatever we will eat, we will throw in the down. So this is, see how it is happening. It will go inside of the soil and it will be stop growing of the plants. So this is the land pollution. So now we will move to the noise. Sound pollution antaru. Noise, sound and noise and okate. So noise pollution now we will learn. సో ఇక్కడ నాయిస్ పొల్యూషన్ అంటే పెద్ద పెద్ద డీజేస్, పీకలు, పటాకులు, పెద్ద పెద్ద డీజే సౌండ్, కార్ల హారన్, బైక్స్ హారన్, దిస్ ఆల్ మేక్స్ అ నాయిస్ పొల్యూషన్, వెరీ మచ్ ఆఫ్ నాయిస్ పొల్యూషన్. All that sounds are not pleasant to hear are called noises. So ఎక్కువగా nowadays they are using bands. Band sound కొంతమందికి పడదు. The heart beats, lap dub it beats. So it cannot hear. అంటే ఎక్కువగా ఇవన్నిటి వల్ల హార్న్స్, they will continuously they will horn, key. That is also noise pollution. Whatever the vehicles, whatever the sounds, this is known as noise pollution. It is a noise. The sounds are not pleasant, chala pleasant galu, unpleasant to hear. These all sounds is known as noise. The random sound pollute the peaceful and cute atmosphere and create noise pollution. Whatever the pollution, it makes sound, it is not peaceful. ఆ యొక్క సౌండ్తో దిమ్మ తిరిగిపోతుంది. కొన్నిసార్లు మనకు it will be take headache. So it will be unpleasant for us, and the atmosphere whatever it creates noise pollution. The noise pollution is mainly caused by vehicles, aeroplanes, loudspeakers and loud music. It affects to human health and harmful the ears. So whatever is noise, vehicles, మన యొక్క వాహనాలు, vehicles, aeroplanes, loudspeaker, DJs and loud music. Whatever the music we keep, if we keep in the loud, it will be affect to our ears. మన యొక్క చెవులకి. So the old people they will get, some people they will get headache also. Some people they will get headache also in this effect of a noise pollution. In the noise pollution, what you will get here, చెవులు here we can be dumb, we can be deaf. So here it causes the very harmful of our ears. Then effect అవుతుంది, it will be affected to the ears. For what it will be affected to the ears, మన యొక్క చెవులకి ఒక నాయిస్ పొల్యూషన్ వల్ల మన యొక్క చెవులు అనేవి ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతాయి. సో ఇట్ విల్ బి డ్యామేజ్, we cannot hear. So ఇది with the help of noise pollution. Children, you are seeing here in the picture, this is the sound of radio, this is the also in the previous mic setters, these are the sound of bombs. So Diwali has went here, aeroplane and vehicles, this all make the noise pollution. So children, here we completed the lesson. Children, our environment, mother earth. So here children, about the pollution we have learned. So we have to avoid everything that it is harmful to our human beings as well as to our surroundings. Whatever it may be, you have to avoid it. So here, to avoid this all, we have to grow more and more plants, as well as wherever we are staying in the surroundings, we have and we must be always clean. So wherever the open place, we should not do whatever we do outside. We will sneeze, we will whatever we will get from the saliva, we will ఉంచడం ఇలాంటివి పిచ్చి పిచ్చివన్నీ we should avoid this all. Why? Because surroundings, if we keep surroundings neat, so it is a very need. So here you have seen how these surroundings are the keeping rivers, whatever lakes, so factories, nearby factories we should not allow them. So many diseases, so many harmful diseases we will get. Now we are suffering with that one only. So here, to avoid this all, we have to take a step and we have to be very neat. So here, now we will move to the summative and formative assessment, children. So this is the last lesson, children, for you, 5th class children. Your portion has been completed. So if you are interested, please take the books and go to tuition or whatever it may be, or with the help of sisters, your sisters, elder sisters, పెద్దక్క వాళ్ళతోని కానీ లేదా ట్యూషన్ టీచర్స్కి ట్యూషన్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్తే మీరు అన్నీ ఒక్కొక్క లెసన్ని చదివి విల్ కంప్లీట్ ద question answers, whatever it may be. Please take the books from the school because it is very useful. So now you are not writing anything, you can next year also you can give to anyone. So this is not wastage of the book. The parents, if you tell, the parents will be listen. So here there is no wastage of anything is there, children. So please tell to your parents to buy the book and read. So education is very important for everyone. Now I will move to summative assessment. First bit number A. So first I will write answers. First one, the surroundings in which we live is called environment. Environment. That is C. The second one is pollutants may be caused all of these solid, liquid, gases. Third one, the mixing of harmful gases without other particles in the air is called air pollution. It is D. The gradual wearing away of the soil by wind or wastage is called soil erosion. So I will explain you once again, children. The surroundings in which we live is called environment. Atmosphere, biosphere, earth, environment. This is the C1. Environment is the right answer. ENVIRONMENT, environment. Pollutants may be causes solid, liquid, gaseous. Yes, these all are these. D. The mixing of harmful gases without other particles in the air is called air pollution, noise pollution, land pollution, water pollution. Air pollution. The gradual wearing away of the soil by wind or water is called soil erosion. Soil erosion. Next, that is answer the following question. Answers are there, children. So here, answer the following questions are there. Answer the following questions. What is environment? What is environment? What are the main causes of air pollution? What is land pollution? Describe the factories causing land pollution. So next, fourth question. What are the main causes of water pollution? What is noise pollution? What is pollution? Water pollutes. So in this textbook only you have, children. So no need for you to go through the other one. So here, children, now we have been here, we have completed the lesson, that is 14th lesson, our environment, and total book also we have been completed. So with the help of online classes, so how you are listening we don't know, but we are sending for you. So many children are not taking interest or not listening the online classes. That is very sadness for me. Chala బాధాకరంగా ఉంది. So we are struggling for you, but you are not at all bit of this struggling for us. So here completions of questions I repeated for you. So we are moving to the answer the following questions now. Fill in the blanks, bit number C. I repeated for you question answers. Now I am repeating the fill in the blanks. The living and non-living things together from our surroundings. Dash is surroundings. Second one, pollution basically in the discharge of environmental contaminants. Industrial and household wastage are releasing into the water which causes pollution. Soil erosion is the gradual wearing away of the soil by wind or water. Noise pollution affects the human health and harmful for the ears. So here once again I will repeat you. The living and non-living things together forms our surroundings. Pollution basically in the discharge of environmental contaminants. Industrial and household wastages are released into the water which causes its pollution. Soil erosion is the gradual wearing away of the soil by wind or water. Noise pollution affects human health and is harmful for the ears. So next year we completed the match the following. This is the last bit. It is D bit, children. So now I will write on the blackboard match the following. Match the following, bit number D. So first here 5 are there. So we have to match this one to that. Air pollution. Next land pollution. Noise pollution. Water pollution. Major causes of pollution. So this is the A1, A bit. So here A, B, C, D, E. So we have to match this for air pollution, land pollution, noise pollution, aeroplane and vehicles. B1, typhoid, jaundice, human activities, breathing problem, soil erosion. So these are the options given. Air pollution wala emostundi breathing problem. We have read that is D1, breathing problem ostundi with the air pollution. Land pollution to soil erosion. Noise pollution to emostundi with the help of aeroplanes and vehicles. Water pollution allows with the help of we will get with typhoid and jaundice. Major causes of the pollution, human activities. Whatever the human activities are there, we are getting to major problems with these. So here children, we completed the whole lessons. So here color the pictures given below. Which type of pollution show them? Is air pollution, Water pollution. This water pollution, this air pollution. So you have to color this one, children. This is your homework. Summative assessment law. Page number 117. So bit number E. You have to draw. This is your homework and last homework. This is for you 5th class students. So here the completion of the lessons, children. So here I struggled so much for you. So how you are responding, I don't know. So here how many lessons I completed? Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 5, Unit 6, Unit 7. Our surrounding is first unit. Our needs is second unit. Our body is third unit. Matter and materials 4th unit. Next moving objects is 5th unit. Our universe is 6th unit. Mother Earth is 7th unit. So these are the 14 lessons we gone through, and I explained you from the first onwards very clearly, as in Telugu or whatever it may be. In the middle of that, every bit I explained you except question answers of some or format assessment I given for you homework. So this is our science textbook we have been completed. So here how much you will be struggle, I will see now. This is a chance for you 5th class students to take the books and go through the books. So now I will leave my class, and all the best, children. So whatever you do, so if I will give in the middle of that, I will give some for you question answers also if the time is there. So now I will leave my class. Thank you very much, 5th class children, and for your future what is there, so you do better. So that is my words. So thank you very much, children. Thank you very much.